How to use a straight razor on your beard. Using a straight razor on your beard can be a great way to achieve a close, clean shave, but it does require some practice and skill to master. Here are some steps to follow when using a straight razor on your beard. Prepare your skin. Start by washing your face with warm water to open up your pores, and then apply a pre-shave oil or cream to lubricate your skin and protect it from irritation. Start with a light touch, hold the straight razor at a 30-degree angle to your skin, and use light pressure as you begin to shave. Use slow, steady strokes and focus on one area at a time. Shave with the grain. Begin by shaving with the grain of your beard, which means shaving in the same direction that your hair grows. This will help to prevent irritation and cuts. Stretch your skin. To get a closer shave, stretch your skin taut with your free hand and use short, smooth strokes to shave against the grain. Rinse and repeat. Rinse your face with cold water to close your pores and remove any remaining hair or shaving cream. If necessary, repeat the process to achieve a smoother shave. Moisturize your skin. After shaving, use a moisturizer aftershave balm to soothe your skin and prevent irritation. It's important to note that it takes practice to master the technique of straight razor shaving, and it's always recommended to have a professional barber do it for you if you're not confident in your skills. Also, it's important to use a sharp blade and keep your razor clean to avoid nicks, cuts and irritation.